All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Just want to give you a quick update, guys, from Sunday night charts. We've got FOMC coming today. We had CPI this morning, bad for the dollar. Had a bit of a tank and a spike on the small time frame. I want to see what the market is doing. Give you some ideas. I'm going to give you two ideas, basically. Up or down. Obviously, I don't know the direction of the market, but I'm going to show you wave structure, guys, and show you what the wave structure might be pointing to in the small time frame. So don't forget, I'm not here to give you financial advice. Just want to update you on the wave structure and show you my view of the market and the way the market might be moving. Okay. With that said, here, guys, zooming out to the 12-hour, just to give you some context here. I'm a bull. I've been a bull, guys, since November of last year. I've been looking at this as a three-wave down to hit the low. I'm looking at this entire structure as a flat, and I'm looking for 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm a bull, guys, up here to 50 to 60K, roughly. So I think we're heading up here. Does that mean we're going to go straight up? No, I don't think we're going to go straight up. We're going to have stop hunts and corrections along the way. Okay, so I think we're due for a corrective wave. We've come into an area of interest. We're coming to the top. We've got a key monthly support, monthly resistance here at 31.8. Okay, so we might go spike that high. I don't think we're going to spike it today, but we could. That's one of the scenarios that we just pump today and we pump up to about 31.8 before we get a little bit of a correction to the downside. Now, could it just blow through that? Absolutely. Does it have to stop there? No, it does not. Price could blow through. Price gets to do whatever it wants to. I am very bullish. Okay, I really am. But the question is, what else is possible and plausible could happen on the chart? Just want to talk to you about one other idea I've been sharing for the last couple of weeks, looking for a liquidity grab. Okay, we consolidated in this area. We've broken out of this area. I think we're primed. I think the market is primed for a quick liquidity grab. Okay. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, right here, for instance. Right in there, for instance. Okay, so price was coming down. It's coming down hard. We consolidated here, and then we did a 3-wave move, and it broke that level. It's like, okay, here we go. We're going to keep on going, right? No, they did a quick liquidity grab first, and then they took it down. That's an example of what I'm talking about here. Just the opposite direction. Boom, boom, and then we go. Okay. So here, over here, again, we had 3 waves down. This could be a 3-wave move that's breaking the high, grabbing the liquidity up here, and then boom, primed for it's not going to go that far probably, but primed for a move back down, retesting the breakout here. Okay, and then we'd be on our way for the next continuation move. So that's kind of what I'm really on guard for, guys. I really don't know that we're going to keep pumping up. I think the market believes that. I think the market, believes we're just going to keep on going. We're never going to stop. I think we are going to keep going, but I think the market needs to get a little bit of liquidity grab here first. And so I'm still primed for that move. Been talking about it for several weeks in my live streams. The market's been kind of taking its sweet little time to do it. Is it going to happen with certainty? No, I can't say that. Nothing's certain in this world, but we do have divergence here on the 12-hour chart. You'll notice we've got some bearish divergence working right there. Okay, so if this thing breaks to the downside, that would not surprise me at all to see a really fast move starting today around news. Probably going to start today around news, I would think. Has it started already? Maybe not. Maybe we get a stop hunt on the smaller time frame. We get a stop hunt to the high, so we pump. Maybe we pump. And we take the high out. One of the ways I'm looking at this is I'm looking at this as a WXY right here. Boom, 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 right there. We could have some kind of a diagonal working on the as an ending diag, maybe 1, 2. We get a pump 3, 4, and then 5. That takes us into tonight. Okay, and then tomorrow maybe tomorrow we get a dump. And that dump comes, it starts a trend to the downside. Is it going to happen in one day? Probably not. But it starts a trend to the downside to come and retest the top of this, or Could be a running flat where it doesn't break this low at all. Just a local liquidity grab here, and then we go up. Either way, we have some structures here that this is one way to count it. Let me show you another way I count this thing here. Another way I count this is that this was wave 5 of this move right there. So wave 5 to here, and then I'm looking at this as an A wave there, 3 waves back up for B, looking for C. All right. So there it is. That's the way I'm thinking about the market for now. And just an idea. Is it going to definitely play? No, I'm not here to tell you that. But I just want you to be cautious that is a real play that the market does over and over and over, constantly. I want you to be aware of it. Okay. My other idea is, guys, we pump up here to 31K. We probably bonk our head, make some kind of a bigger correction, and then continue on. And this is just a bullish construction, and it's just going to keep rocking. Okay, so that's the other idea that I can see on the charts. Let's just take a minute right now and just look at the very small time frame here on Bitcoin. Just say, okay, what could be happening, in here? Well, again, I was looking at this as a wave 1, potentially maybe as a diag, or this could be a leading diagonal right here where you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Sorry, I didn't draw that very well. And it's a throw over. It's got a throw over, which basically is it throws over and then comes back. So that could be some kind of leading diag, wave 1. After news today, we had a 3-wave pullback right there. That could be a wave 2, 1, 2. This could be a 1, 2. Now working to the upside, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we could get something like that as well. Just very, very bullish, very pumpy, getting everybody to FOMO in, and we could reject after that really strongly. Okay, so another idea to pay attention to. Otherwise, we could just keep pumping and work our way up to those upper targets that I've been looking for. This just keep rocking, consolidate. But guys, this market may want to grab some liquidity, so don't be surprised to see as this thing pumps. If it pumps, a sharp move to the downside, taking out stops, grabbing liquidity along the way. It's coming. The market does that. The market loves to take your money, and that's the way she does it. So just be careful, be aware of those concepts. And I just wanted to present that to you very quickly. If you like the content, just leave a like, guys, and share some love in the comments. Share me your ideas. Leave me links to your charts in the comments. Love to see your ideas. And if you want, we just already had a live stream here in our Discord, and we do 2 a day. If you want to be part of the Discord, love to have you in. Just join the Patreon. You can join today, and it'll bill you for the first month. And then if you're not happy after the first week you're in there, just let me know. I'll refund your money. It's just I want you to love it, and if you hate it, if it's not for you, then let me know. And no hard feelings at all. But don't let the greenback be the holdback. My dad always used to say for joining the Discord, because you might find great value in just understanding wave structure, learning to look at the market through a wave structure lens, and being around guys who look at that along with other indicators, along with other concepts in the market where liquidity, we really spend a lot of time talking about liquidity in our group. We have some Wyckoff ideas in our group, as well as looking at open interest and other things. So other things we look at in the group, but we do spend a lot of time talking about wave structure as well. And that's a big piece of the puzzle people struggle with. So I want to invite you in on the Jim of All Trades Discord. With that said, have a fantastic day. I've got to run. I just wanted to get that to you quick. We'll talk to you later. Until then, bye-bye.